In today's fast-paced automotive world, safety and comfort are at the forefront of vehicle innovation. According to 𝐀𝐝𝐯𝐚 Strategy Consulting, the global advanced driver assistance systems market is on track to reach an impressive $74.57 billion by 2030, growing at a strong compound annual growth rate of 14.2%. The surge in demand for luxury vehicles, combined with the need for enhanced safety features, is pushing automotive manufacturers to integrate advanced safety systems. ADAS technologies are designed to elevate driving experiences, helping companies meet customer expectations for both comfort and protection. Take Toyota's Advanced Drive, for instance. Powered by artificial intelligence and deep learning, it anticipates road scenarios and supports drivers in real time. North America continues to dominate the ADAS market, thanks to a strong focus on road safety and regulatory support. Meanwhile, Europe's ADAS market is projected to witness steady growth by 2030, as manufacturers align with stringent government regulations. Key players such as Continental, NVIDIA, Robert Bosch, and Hyundai Mobis are shaping the future of ADAS by driving technological innovation and helping manufacturers achieve safer, smarter driving solutions. Thank you for joining us. Stay connected for further insights and updates on the dynamic evolution of advanced driver assistance systems and its transformative impact on the automotive and transportation industry.